In today's video, I'm going to teach you some essential tips and Mailchimp-specific steps for crafting mobile-friendly emails. Creating emails that look great on mobile devices is crucial because more and more of your audience is likely opening emails on their phones. Let's get started with some best practices to ensure your emails are not only eye-catching, but also easy to interact with. First up, consider using single-column layouts for your email designs. This simple choice helps your content stack neatly when viewed on the narrow screens of mobile devices. When everything stacks correctly, it becomes much easier for your reader to follow along without having to pinch or zoom unnecessarily. Text readability and button accessibility are equally important. For your body text, aim for a font size between 14 and 16 pixels, while headings should be larger to catch your reader's attention. This ensures your text is easily legible on smaller screens. Similarly, buttons should be large enough for effortless tapping. A good rule of thumb is a minimum size of 44 to 48 pixels high and wide to avoid any frustrating misclicks. Remember the importance of white space and padding. Including enough space around content blocks prevents the layout from appearing cramped. Well-spaced elements not only look more appealing, but also improve navigation, making it more user-friendly. Next, let's talk about images. Optimizing your images by compressing their size and using smaller widths helps your email load faster, which is especially important on mobile devices. Heavy images can slow down load times, and nobody likes waiting for an email to load when they're on the go. Subject lines and preview text also play a crucial role. Keep them short and to the point so they display fully on phone screens, thereby capturing your reader's attention at first glance. Once you're happy with the design and content, testing is key. Make use of real mobile devices or Mailchimp's preview and inbox preview features to see how your email appears in different mobile environments. Now, let's focus on how you can do this directly in Mailchimp. Within the Campaign Builder, navigate to the Styles section and select Mobile to adjust mobile-specific styles like text size, button visuals, and padding. This allows you to fine-tune the way your email looks on mobile devices specifically. If you're using Mailchimp's new builder, you have the flexibility to unlink desktop and mobile styles for certain content blocks. This way, you can let your email have an optimized look separately on desktop and mobile. Take advantage of Mailchimp's preview feature and switch to mobile view to get a real feel of how your email would look on a mobile device. If your plan includes it, use the inbox preview to examine how your email renders across multiple mobile clients. This can give you insights into any adjustments needed for better performance. Creating mobile-friendly emails may seem like a small step, but it can have a big impact on how your messages are received. Thanks for tuning in, and happy emailing.